friends, Running Kimono here. So we have yet another Walgreens deal that's just sizzling in my computer right now. So I wanted to share it with you guys to get the Old Spice for $1.66. So IBOTTA last night, really late, released a whole mess, like a huge amount of Old Spice rebates. So you're definitely going to have to look in your IBOTTA account what you have. And I can't stress it enough that if you go to the store, scan everything to make sure that it is attaching, because the number of rebates for the different scents of Old Spice, it's massive. So I think this one's going to be around for at least more than a day. Okay, so just to talk about a couple housekeeping tips before we dive into the math. This is a $4 register reward when you spend $20. I don't see Old Spice, so I'm not sure if it's going to print that extra $4 register reward, yay or nay. If you go out and do this deal, please kindly let us know in the comments if you're getting it. That would be so great. Now, this is the weekly promotion for the Old Spice. It is to buy 3 to earn back a $5 register reward. You're going to want to do this in store. I just looked it up online, so that's why it says Walgreens Cash, but we're looking to do this deal in store. And so as explained, the top one, I'm not sure if it'll print, but that bottom one should print in store. Now, if you went and did the Olay deal yesterday and you wish to roll these 2 register rewards, don't do it, or a second set will not print for you. And that $4 is unknown as of right now. It is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're not doing this in concert with a booster, just to get your out-of-pocket a little less. And I can't stress it enough, because this is one of these sort of hot deals. People tend to go really hard on it when you're getting $6 back from IBOTTA. So definitely open up your IBOTTA account, scan the barcodes of these body washes in store to ensure that your rebates are in your account and that your store has qualifying items that are, at the store. So yeah, that's the most important. I'm going to grab 3 qualifying Old Spice body washes, and make sure it says body wash because their shampoo looks identical to a body wash. So we're grabbing 3 body washes. We're going to load this digital coupon. And if you used this guy yesterday with the Olay deal, well, the digital coupon's a one and done. So, if you wanted men's body wash, this is your big opportunity. Go over to your IBOTTA account, load all of these rebates, and start scanning in store to ensure that it's attaching. Say you find 3 of the Old Spice Harbor body wash that scent and you really like it. Grab 3 of them and rock and roll, because the limit for this is up to 3, so you don't need to mix and match. You can grab 3 like body washes. Okay, so again, we're doing this deal in store because of the register rewards and the opportunity to possibly get that second $4 register reward. And you want to make sure that you're grabbing the scents that are attaching with IBOTTA because the list is so massive. 3 of these body washes is $21 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $16. Get back a $5 register reward, and then photograph your receipt to IBOTTA to get $6 back, $2 for each. The final price point here is $5 for 3, or $1.66 per body wash. And yes, you can use Walgreens Cash. Spend it to earn that register reward and to submit to IBOTTA. It's not going to affect it as long as you're not doing this with a booster. And will that $4 register reward print for us? It is unknown at this time, but if you guys could be so kind to share the scents that you're grabbing, and if your register reward is in fact printing, we would be so grateful. And if you are not about the Old Spice body wash, made a video yesterday for the Olay deal, but you're getting both the $5 and $4 register reward, making it 33 cents per body wash, so that's a much better deal. And that rebate is still in my account. I saw it last night, and I saw it again there this morning when I was doing this little matchup. So I would get out to the store ASAP. If you love Old Spice and you still have that 5 off 3 digital coupon, make it happen. Alternatively, if you don't have it anymore, but you went and did that razor deal with the 2 fancier razors, and you have a $6 manufacturer register reward, use that one, and then just make this deal happen if you really, want to get some Old Spice in your stockpile. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.